Thank you, sir. And
Sa pagkakaroon ng isang Coast Guard District, inaasahan ang dagdag na deployment ng mga tauhan ng PCG para bantayan ang mga okupadong feature ng Pilipinas sa Kalayaan Island Group. Tutugunan din ang pangailangan ng mga sibilyang Pilipino na nakatira rito sa Pag-asa Island.
At ito ay hindi isang simbolo lamang. Ito ay isang permanenteng hagbang upang mapakita natin na handa ang ating Coast Guard na ipagtanggol ang ating interes sa dagat, na ipagtanggol ang ating mga kababayang mangingisda, ang kanilang kabuhayan, at higit sa lahat, ang ating soberanya.
By establishing Coast Guard District Kalayaan Island Group, we have also recognized that Kalayaan Island or Pag-asa Island is no longer just a frontier. It is actually the maritime heartland of the West Philippine Sea that we must protect with everything, anything we have. Their budget will increase, so it will be able to undertake better community assistance. We can send more people. As what I have mentioned, makakapagpadala kami dito ng teachers to assist the local government units, doctors, nurses, and dentists to assist the DOH. We can field here priests to sustain and nurture the faith, the spiritual needs of the people.
Well, every time we do something in the Kalayaan Island Group or even the West Philippine Sea, meron man laging adverse reaction ng People's Republic of China. But as what the Commandant and the Secretary said a while ago, we don't really care about their comments. What we are asserting here is in accordance with international law. So there's no reason for us to be bothered sa magiging statement na naman ng Chinese Embassy or the People's Republic of China.
So it will mean more law enforcement operation, and we will ensure na ma-protect natin ang ating karagatan dito na part ng teritoryo ng ating bansa. So right now, nandito po rin yung contractor natin sa ating Department of Transportation, yung gumagawa ng ating sheltered port. No? So nag-uusap na po kami na dapat mapabilis po yung dredging. So kung mapalalim na po natin yung sheltered port natin dito, ang kautusan po ng ating commandant ay mag-deploy po ng at least one na 44 meters po dito sa Pag-asa Island. And then right now we already have two high-speed response boat natin na nandito na rin po ngayon. So kaagapay natin yung ating Philippine Navy, ang ating Philippine National Police Maritime Group. So mag-i-intensify po yung ating patrolya po rito sa karagatan ng Kalayaan Island Group.